Hello students, now we are going to solve the question number 9 of exercise 4D of rational number. So first 9 question is what should be added, means there is addition sign. 2 means minus 3 by 8. To get means equal to 5 by 12. So this number we have to think what would be added to this minus 3 by 8. So we don't know this number, so we will take one variable, that is x. Now what we will do, we will shift this rational number with the x toward right hand side, and I will write 5 by 12 as it is, and it becomes minus 3 by 8, but here is positive, here we will take subtraction. Now you students all know how to subtract one rational number from another. So minus 3 by 8 we will subtract from 5 by 12 by adding the additive inverse of this minus 3 by 8. So 5 by 12 add additive inverse of minus 3 by 8, minus 3 by 8 का हो जाएगा plus 3 by 8. Now we will take the LCM. So that is LCM is 24. So I know that 24 is coming in the table of at which position? Second position. And 24 is coming in the table of 3 at third place. So I will multiply by 3 to 3 by 8. Now we can write 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, and 24 becomes as it is. So it is 19 by 24. So we can say that 19 by 24 is that number which will be added to minus 3 by 8 to get 5 by 12. Now let's see the next problem, that is question number 13. What should be added to this bracket minus 13 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8 to get 1? So one thing is clear, to get means 1 on right hand side, and this minus 13 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8. To this what we will add means we have to take x, that number that we don't know. Now we will, yes, the next step of shifting, that is this whole bracket we will shift, or either you can solve on this side and then you can shift, but I am first shifting and then I will solve. So this plus becomes minus, and it would be minus 13 by 4 plus minus 3 by 8. So 1 minus, let's find out this first. What will be the LCM of this 4 and 8? Yes, 8. So I will multiply 4 2s are 13 2s are. So I will directly write 8 as a LCM, and then I will do 13 2s are minus 26, and this plus minus 3. This step is most important, don't skip such step. Now we will do, when both the integers of the same sign, then we will add. So 26 plus 3, 29, and we will give the common sign, that is 8. But what left? This 1 left. So I will write here 1. Right. So 1 minus 20 minus 29 by 8. So there is a subtraction. When there is a subtraction, we will add the additive inverse of second number. So minus 29 by 8 becomes plus 29 by 8. Now we will do the addition of rational numbers, right? So again we will take the LCM 8. So I will multiply here by 8. So 8 ones are 8 plus 29. So 29 plus 8, 37 upon 8. So this is our final answer. In this way we can do the remaining problem of what should be added. Now next problem is of subtraction. Now we have to find which number we have to subtract from minus 3 by 4. So in the subtraction, earlier I have told you, when there is a number after from, that number we have to take, yes, first. So minus 3 by 4 we will take first, then subtraction sign, and then we will write the unknown number, that we will take x. So what should be subtracted from this minus 3 by 4 to get means equal to sign minus 5 by 6. So students, now see here in front of variable there is a minus sign. So what we can do? So we can do, take this x toward right hand side, because this x should be positive, right? So I will take this x toward this right sides. So because of that, this minus becomes plus. This minus 3 by 4 as it is, and this minus 5 by 6 I will take this on left hand side, because now variable on right hand side, so it becomes minus, right, because this is minus 5 by 6. Now what we will do, we will do the subtraction by adding additive inverse. So I can write x on left because it is now clear. Now we can turn that. So minus 3 by 4 as it is, we have to add the additive inverse of 5, minus 5 by 6 becomes 5 by 6. Now we have to find the LCM. What is the LCM? So it becomes 12, right? So I can multiply 4 to get 12 by 3. Here is also 3. In the same way I will multiply 6 by 2, right, and 5 also. So we have done our equivalent fraction. So it becomes minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 5 to the 10. Now minus 9 plus 10s. So when there is a different sign to an integers, we will, yes, subtract greater small value from greater value. So 10 minus 9 becomes 1 by 12.